Getting subscribers and watch hours are actually easy. All you need to do is just to crack the code. As I'm making this video now, I am very, very happy because I'm going to show you how I was able to get 1,000 subscribers and 11,000 watch hours in just 7 days. What I'm going to say here is going to blow your mind with just one video. I didn't say two, I didn't say three, just one video. So now I've been carrying out an experiment on my faceless channel. Since the beginning of this year, the channel has not been doing well until I applied just one simple YouTube feature and the channel skyrocketed. YouTube designed everything just to make work easier for the creators, but just that we fail to pay attention to the necessary things. That is why we are not getting views. So I am going to show you on this particular channel and also show you on this particular channel. So you are going to see the exact reason why your videos are not getting views or why you are not getting subscribers. So now let us just watch the videos and see the practical aspects of everything that I'm going to show you here now. So let us start. Take a look at this particular video. This is an African-based entertainment channel. I don't know if you're getting my point. So now, this is 7 days ago, 185k views, 7.8 impression click-through rate, and a 3.37 average view duration. So now I click on it. I applied one simple thing. This thing I'm about to say now, it's something that is inside YouTube Creator Studio, but you have not seen it. You have not been making use of it. I've been making research on how to understand that particular feature because YouTube added it newly. I've been making so many research until I found out the best way to use it so that it will yield results. And I'm going to test run it on 2 different channels. I'm going to test run it on this particular channel and equally test run it here, so you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this video blew my mind because I was not even expecting it. Understanding YouTube and getting subscribers and watch hours is very, very simple to do if you crack the code. You just need to crack the code. One video will give you everything that you are looking for. I didn't say two, just one video will give you everything you are looking for. So people that said, I've done YouTube for years, you have not gotten the right video. If you get the right video, you will get 1,000 subscribers and 11,000 watch hours in one day. It's very, very possible. So now let me show you. So it will not be as if that I'm joking. So look at this place, traffic source, YouTube recommendation. If you have been following my channel, you will know that I normally make emphasis on this YouTube recommendation. If your videos are not being pushed by this YouTube recommendation, it means that YouTube have not understood what you are doing on YouTube. Anytime it's going to take YouTube to understand what you are doing on YouTube and start taking your content to the right audience, that is the exact time it's going to take you to get monetized. The time it will take Mr. A to get monetized might not be the time it will take Mr. B to get monetized because of our different niches and our different approach to YouTube. So you have to be strategical. So now, let us go to the business of the day. So you go here. What are you seeing here? 11.2k watch hours. 11.2k watch hours in 7 days with just one video. Now you click here. 1.1k subscribers. Had it been this channel is not monetized, just with this one video, I can apply for monetization today with this. But that does not mean that this is a one-hit wonder. No, I've been posting videos on this channel, and I told you since January the channel has not been doing well. It has been getting small views until I discovered this thing that took this video to the next level. And this video is still counting. So now let me show you what I did. Let me show you what I did. So go to your analytics. Look at this place they wrote trend. I've already made a teaching about this thing, but I made a new discovery here that changed the perspective of my channel. And this discovery is going to blow your mind. I don't know if you're getting me. I've already made a teaching about this thing, but this one I'm talking now is the elaborate. This is the game changer. Like I told you that this is an African-based entertainment channel. So are you seeing the topic they're suggesting for me? That is if I lack content. But that is not even what I'm talking about now. Any of this topic can go. This one is their suggestion. It means that these are the type of things your audience would love to watch, which means if you do anything that is related to this one, you'll be equally get views. I've already said this on my video where I talk about this feature, but let me show you the exact thing that I'm talking about now. If you click on search, before you do any topic on YouTube, for you to find out if that topic is going to go or not, With this now, before you upload video, you will know in your mind the video that will do well and the one that will not do well. Before you know if that topic is going to do well or not, let us do this experiment. Now, this is an African-based entertainment channel, like I've always been saying. Let me type how to get subscribers. Let's assume that is a topic I want to do on this channel, that is African-based entertainment channel. So I said, okay, I want to do how to get subscribers. On the search button, so I click on search. What did you see here? Very low interest from your viewers. It means that people that are watching this channel don't even want to hear about this thing at all. They don't want to hear about it. So the kind of topic you are creating boils down to the audience that are watching your videos. Your audience might not align with my own. So if you are creating content because you see that somebody else type of content is going viral, you now go and start creating that type of content, it might not align. It might even scatter your audience and your algorithm. So I will advise you, before you create any topic, come here and check and see what YouTube have to talk about that topic before you even make it. My audience like this topic, are they going to like it? Does this have a very low interest or high interest? Because our audience on YouTube are not the same. Your audience are different, my own audience are different. What your audience like might not be what my own audience will like. Are you seeing it? An African-based entertainment channel says how to get subscribers is not going to work here. So if I do a video on how to get subscribers and post here, it will not go. It will not go. So I love practical. That is why I'm showing everything with practical. Now, let me check this topic on this particular channel you are watching this video from. Let us see. So you will see how I got the game changer, that gave me all the criteria in just 7 days. And you can equally do it. Just be strategic about YouTube. That is the only thing I want from you. Be strategic. There is no coincidence in YouTube. Anything that is happening for a reason. So that is why you need to track down your record, your views, your everything you are getting on YouTube. Track it down to the lowest minimum, so you will understand what your audience actually wants or what YouTube actually wants from you. It's not about you. You are not creating content for yourself. You are creating it for viewers. You have to give them what they want. The only thing that is about you is your own uniqueness, how you want it to appear. But you have to give the audience the topic they are looking for if you want to grow on YouTube. So let us test run here too. This is my channel, Jazzy Studios, African-based educational channel on how to grow as a content creator. So now I go to trends, then I go to search. I type how to get subscribers. A search. Very high interest from your viewers. Not high, very high. Are you seeing it? That is to show you that YouTube has simplified content creating. If you have come across my channel and you are still not doing well on YouTube, you are undermining the powers of creativity, because everything I'm showing you here is how it is. So if YouTube can bring out this type of feature that can make you to even check your topic before posting, so why are you not getting views? Why are you not getting subscribers? Why are you not yet monetized? One thing I'm understanding now is the way we treat YouTube is any new feature we see, we will just try it on the next video. If that one didn't work, you will leave it. That is a very wrong approach. Anytime you see a feature, the next thing you will do is say, okay, I'm going to try it on my next video. If you try it on your next video and it didn't work, automatically you will stop using it. So if you are sick and you go to the hospital and they administer drugs to you, are you going to get better that day, that immediately? No. You have to take the complete dosage before you will say, okay, I'm now fit. The same thing applies to YouTube. So any new feature you learn, keep on using it. Keep learning new features, keep on adding up until you crack the code. The best strategy that you will use and grow your channel, you will be the one to discover it. All you need is a guide. But the best strategy, you are the one that will discover it. I don't know if you're getting me. So this is what we do here. We keep everything practical. My name is Jazzy, and I'm here to teach you YouTube and everything that has to do with content creating like an 8-year-old baby. So you are going to understand it. So that is basically what I'm doing here. So if that interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of the family, so that whenever I drop a new video, you are going to be the first to see it. Thank you very much, and I love you. Thank you for the support and everything. And I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.